Welcome on Mango channel. I am RK and in today's video we are going to learn about split function. Guys, split function in C# play a very important role when you are working with the string. Guys, sometimes we get the data from the server in a string and it may be the collection of the data, but they are separated by comma, they are separated by semicolon, or they are separated by any particular character, any particular symbol. So guys, in today's video we are going to learn about what is the use of split function, and I'm sure it will help you a lot when you will work with the string. So what it does, guys, when you are getting the data in a string and it is separated by any symbol, so what you can do is that using the split function you can just get them in string array. So let's do on the PC and hope you learn and understand. And guys, if you are new on the channel, so make sure you have subscribed, and if you have not, check out my blogging channel Mr.RK, so you can just check out Mr.RK. So let's start the today video.
Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to talk about split function in string. Guys, split function play a very important role when we working with the string. So let me show you an example so that you can get a full idea how we can work with the split function. So guys, let's see. I have a string that is data, and then I have these numbers. Maybe you are getting these numbers from server or from anywhere, so mostly we need it, this kind of thing, so we can use. Okay, let's suppose we have 12, 13, 14, means these are the data, and individually they play a very important role. Like we can use 12, we can use 13, 14. So let's suppose you are requesting on the server and you are getting the response, and in that response your backend team is giving you response in string, and may suppose this is the history of your players, like he last time he scored 12, and then before that it is the 13. So how you'll access these numbers, how you'll get these numbers? So for this I'm just using the split function. So how we can use the split function, let's see. So for this you have to, it is not the string, it is not an array. So what you can do is that you can get in a string array. So this is the string, and here you can put bracket, here is a. Okay, and in start function what I'm going to do is, here is a, and then here is data dot, you will get split function. So just you have to use split and then bracket, and you will put single quote, not double. And split function, guys, what you can do is that you have to use split function with the string, and whenever you will use, you have to use the single quote. And what do you want to split from? Where do you want to split? So I want to split from comma. It may be any number, like you can put any equal to or plus or anything, it may be anything. So just right now I am using the comma, so I am just splitting these numbers, like this is the string, so I am splitting from these commas. So it will be 12, it will separate 12, 13, 14, 16 in a string array. So now we have string array, and let's suppose you want to print it. So just let's see what is inside a. So just use I equal to 0, I is less than what will be the size a dot length, and then I plus plus, and here we are going to debug dot log, and here we are using array. Okay, so let's see what is inside in A, and I am passing I and then semicolon. Okay, so you just got the idea. Here you have data like this, means you have a string, and that is not a single data, there are many data, but they are just separated by any particular symbol or character. So you want to get in a array, or you want to get the separate value, so you have to use the split function. Means you got the idea. So let's run the program. And guys, if you are new on the channel, make sure you have subscribed the channel, and guys, you can check out the playlist. You will get so many useful tutorials for your games, for Unity, for C#. And guys, also I make technical videos, so you can check out the playlist. You will get good stuff for you. And if you love blogs video, so you can check out my blog MR.RK. So let's run it and let's see what's going to happen. So let's run. So what happened, guys? You can see that's first thing is 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 8, and we got the number in array, and separately we are printing them. So this is the code, and here is the use of split function. So hope it will be help you in your code whenever you will work with any data you will get in the string. So if you have array, so you can use by using the index. When you will use the 0, so it will be 12. When you will use 1, so it will be 13. So this is the way. So hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. You can comment below, and you can check out my blog channel. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to ask questions, you can connect me on the Instagram.
Hey guys, hope you understand the concept of the split function, how you can use the split with the string. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching.